This is how smart creators are using AI to explode their content in 2025. In this video, I'll show you how to create a super intelligent AI that will help you with every aspect of content creation, exactly how to use that AI agent, and the same workflow that I use to optimize anything involving AI, not just content creation. As a global technical project manager experienced in process improvement and data analytics that manages over 100 projects at a time, I'm always looking to improve every aspect of every process and workflow that I come across. But how does that translate to content creation? I have a passion for teaching and artificial intelligence, so here I am with you, diving deep into the various AI tools, wading through all this AI BS to bring you actionable workflow improvements that will produce measurable results. No messing around, no wasted time, just real results. I guarantee it. Oh, and another thing. I hate spending money unless it's to do something fun, so everything that I show you in this video will be completely free. And I won't show you anything that I don't use myself. Alright, so let's get right into it. This is what we'll be covering today. If you follow along, by the end of this video, you will have a fully set up super intelligent AI agent that you can start using right away, and know exactly how to use it. The first thing we'll cover is what we can achieve with this AI agent. Then we'll build it, from scratch, start to finish, together. Then I'll show you exactly what you will prompt the AI agent to get what you want for every step of the content creation process. Finally, I'll show you how to expand your thinking and think beyond content creation. How this can be used in any part of your life where a super intelligent AI could be helpful. This will be a masterclass and you'll need to come back to it for reference, but this video will always be here and so will the resources I give you for free later on, so feel free to take your time. Also, I encourage you to pause the video at certain points to ensure that we're going through everything together. But knowledge is power, and you're about to have the most powerful AI that you could possibly create right there with you. Alright, let's dive right in and discuss the steps to content creation and how this AI can help you. For the purposes of having a clear focus, we will use YouTube as the medium, but this can be applied across all content channels. So what are the high-level steps to content creation? Number 1, you guessed it, research and strategy. We'll use these super intelligent AI agents to help you define your content pillars, ensure your future videos stick to these content pillars, and do research into competition and in your niche. Number 2, the thumbnail and the title. I gotta be honest, this is the most annoying part of my videos. I'm not a creative person and eye-catching thumbnails are my personal hell. But these AI agents can definitely help with that. Trust me, you will have no problem with this. Number 3, the scripting and outlining. This is where some true power shines through. From conception to the finished product, these AI agents will be able to crush these scripts until you literally don't have enough time to make these videos. Can't wait to show you this later. Number 4, production. This is a bit less important, but AI can still be helpful. If you're great at video production, then this can be extremely helpful, but for the most part, most of us are using one camera by ourselves, so we can't take drone footage of us cooking in the mountains. So we're personally pretty limited on resources. But hey, if you have the resources, then this AI will have some amazing ideas for sure. Number 5, editing. This is where we'll go a bit off the script. Sure, the AI agent can help, but I have another tool that blows it out of the water specifically for editing. Stick around and you'll see that one as well. Trust me, it's a game changer and absolutely worth it. Number 6, uploading and optimization. We're talking about 2 things, SEO and maximizing CTR, which in turn results in views. Most of that is handled with thumbnail and title, but by focusing on what information we upload videos with, we can improve the chance that your videos get pushed to the correct audience. Number 7, post-publish analytics. Why pay for a tool that tells you information you can find out yourself for free? YouTube has an insane amount of analytics baked right in, so your AI agent combined with other free tools can result in a firm grasp of every important metric on your channel. Okay, it's time to build this future baby Terminator together. ChatGPT has the incredible power to create something that it calls a project. This project has different chats in it that reflect all the knowledge that you give it. That is the key. So what we want to do is give ChatGPT the knowledge to build our AI agent. First, we're going to find videos that cover a wide range of topics, specializing in YouTube. Comment videos below and I'll send you a list of videos that I use for my ChatGPT AI agent. As you can see, we have a viral video all about YouTube packed with information. But how do we get that information into ChatGPT? Let's copy the link in the video and then head over to the NoteGPT YouTube transcriber. Paste the link here and click Generate Transcript. This will give you the word for word of all of the content in the video. Now you're going to take this full transcript and paste it somewhere. This is your knowledge database. I use Notion, which is free, but you can really use whatever you want, including Google Docs, which is also free. Key here is to have a central location for all of your knowledge. This is important because later on, if YouTube has an update and some of this information becomes outdated or irrelevant, you can just delete certain video transcripts and then update them all again with newer transcripts. Then you can just delete your AI agent and create a new one, armed with the most current knowledge. For the sake of this video, we'll only show the workflow of one video, but you can really do this with as many as you can. I would recommend a total of 1 or 2 videos per topic we covered earlier. So after your transcripts, you're going to copy it and put it into a project in ChatGPT labeled YouTube AI Agent with the following prompt. You're an AI agent acting in a consulting capacity. You will help me grow my YouTube channel through script writing, thumbnail advice, and generation, hook generation, and strategic advice. You will use the YouTube scripts I give you to form your basis of knowledge to be able to offer this advice. I have numerous YouTube video scripts along with their titles below. I want you to thoroughly analyze them, understand the key points, and strategic recommendations with all of them. I then want you to use their knowledge in all future answers to any prompts I may give you. Below are the scripts I will use. By the way, comment prompt below to get a list of all the prompts that I use for free. After using the prompt and copying your transcript, just hit enter and watch your AI agent update the memory with the knowledge that you gave it. You can repeat this with the videos that you deem to have the best knowledge. But that's not all. You can also add articles, podcasts, blogs, social media captions, or any other form of knowledge that you find or you want your AI agent to remember. Just use this prompt. Here's an additional script. Commit this to memory and use it as knowledge as well to answer any future prompts I may give you, and then paste the script. Now it's time to talk about the other side of the equation, your style. Because here's the truth. Content that sounds generic isn't going to get you anywhere. So now you're going to create a second document called the style database. This is where you're going to store the knowledge that will teach your AI agent how you talk, how you explain things, and how you structure your ideas. Take 3 to 5 of your own YouTube videos and again run them through NoteGPT. Get the transcripts just like before and label each one clearly. If you don't have many videos yet, you can also include written content, scripts, newsletters, even long Instagram captions, anything that really captures your natural tone. Then paste those into the style database. This document tells the AI agent, hey, this is how I communicate, this is my rhythm, my energy, my personality. Speak like this. Copy your transcript over to your AI agent with the following prompt. Analyze my following YouTube video transcriptions and titles. This is how I speak, this is how I write, learn my tone, rhythm, and language. And use this for any future video scripts that I ask you to generate. ChatGPT will commit it to memory, and you will now have a super intelligent AI agent, extremely knowledgeable in all things YouTube with the ability to create content in your voice and style. Again, feel free to constantly update your style database to reflect your growth as a content creator, and then delete and recreate your AI agent. You're already armed with a powerful AI assistant that you can use. But how exactly do we use it? Time to make use of this powerful tool to make the best content possible. Let's start by tackling research and strategy. How can our AI help us define our strategy? First things first, let's ask ChatGPT exactly what our content pillars are. Use the following prompt, analyze my video transcripts, use the YouTube knowledge you have to create my content pillars. What are they? It wouldn't hurt to write this down. It's always good to know your content pillars. Follow that result up with the following prompt. Based on my content pillars, who am I targeting in my videos? Who's my audience? Still going. Now with this result, you know exactly who your audience is. This is helpful because the algorithm will help you build your channel when you target your videos towards the exact same audience every time. Now prompt it. Give me a list of 20 YouTube video ideas I can make based on my content and target audience. Now you'll be able to take this list, go through it one by one, and remove anything you don't like. Take all the remaining videos you like and search them up in YouTube. Look for videos that did very well copying those topics, and then put those videos in NoteGPT and get the transcripts. Put the transcripts to the side for now in a separate document, more on that later. So as you can see, We got a few different ideas here, 20 ideas. Let's see if any of these are good. I already did this. It's pretty much what we're doing right now. Built a free, this is a good one because I'm doing this with you guys right now. I built a complete YouTube content system using only free AI tools. Now let's move on to the next section, titles and thumbnails. This section is surprisingly straightforward. Titles are pretty easy, to be honest. Just use the following prompt. For the following video idea, X, use your knowledge to give me a list of 10 YouTube optimized irresistible titles. So let's try this one. Just random, write down these 3 videos and you'll never struggle with ideas again. See, each title is crafted to maximize CTR by blending curiosity, authority, and tangible value, while staying true to your tone and content pillars. So here, steal these 3 viral formats. You'll never run out of content again. That's really good. Those videos do well. 3 proven structures to create unlimited video ideas. And then it tells you why they're optimized. I think that's pretty cool. Now take the titles and find what you love. It's time to create a thumbnail. Now I'm gonna be honest, I'm not Mr. Beast. I don't throw people into Shark Tanks or blow up Lamborghinis. So it's a bit more difficult for me to dial in what an attractive, perfect thumbnail will look like for my videos. However, that being said, I do have some general advice as well as some ways that ChatGPT can help. ChatGPT can give you thumbnail ideas. You can use these ideas either word for word or as inspiration. ChatGPT can also take your photo and turn it into an AI avatar. You can then use your AI avatar as well as thumbnail ideas to create entirely new AI thumbnails. Once you have the thumbnail and title locked in, it's time for the next step. Now let's get into it. Use your AI agent powerhouse to write scripts for you. But first, let me remind you that I have all these prompts available for free. Just comment prompt down below and I'll send you the link. Hit that subscribe if you vibe with this content. Remember those scripts that you copied earlier of the videos that are similar to the titles that you decided on? Bring those back out. Choose one and then put it into your AI agent with this prompt and your title. Rewrite this script in my style. Use the title X, but for me, 5 AI tools that will give you an unfair advantage in 2025, but keep the structure, pacing, and key moments. But make it sound like me and align with my audience. As you can see, ChatGPT will now combine its knowledge on YouTube script writing with your delivery style to recreate a successful YouTube script. Just like that, you have a script optimized for YouTube. It's literally as simple as that. Now I recommend editing the script a bit before using it for production. Personally, I edit it myself, but you could use another AI agent such as Claude, which is a bit better at script writing than ChatGPT. Let's talk briefly about production. Sometimes in your script you get production notes for each scene. Sometimes you gotta ask for it, but ChatGPT will give it to you. Now there's no doubt that these are all excellent AAA quality production notes. However, not everyone has a professional level of production or a team, so take them with a grain of salt. I use them more for inspiration than anything and try to use them as guidelines for each scene, but to be honest, I make up most of my animation and scenes myself. So the long and the short of it is, ChatGPT can be terrific for production, but chances are you won't have the resources to execute them. So take a look, but be prepared to create the scene on your own. My recommendation is watch the video that you got the script from and draw inspiration from that. Now this is one thing I'm really excited to show you. Now this tool is brand spanking new, and I'm gonna show you exactly how we can use it to seriously level up our editing. Now obviously this tool can be used for a million different use cases, and I encourage you to use it for whatever you may need it. It definitely has a familiarity with some applications, and video editing software is one of them. I use CapCut, so what we're gonna do is I'm going to show you how we can use Google Studio to increase the quality of our videos and improve our workflow. So yeah, here is Google Studio. What you wanna do is click on Stream and then choose whichever editing application you are using. I use CapCut, so I am going to just choose CapCut here. Now, a trick to making this work is to use headphones. Every time I use the speakers on my laptop, the AI gets confused by its own voice and constantly stutters. But the power here is you're now screen sharing with an expert who can help you do whatever you need to do in the video editing software. It's easier than Googling or watching YouTube videos. Here, I'll ask it how to change the colors of my subtitles. Hey, are you there?
Present. I am here. It looks like you are trying to edit a video in CapCut. Would you like help with anything?
Yes, I'd like to add subtitles. How do I do that?
To add subtitles in CapCut, you can click on the text button at the top. Then choose either Add Text for manual subtitles or Auto Captions for automatic subtitle generation. Would you like to try that?
As you can see, it was helpful with that and so much more. I do have a tutorial on my channel where I tested Google Studio with 3 different tasks of varying difficulty, which you can check out, so I won't go too in depth here, but you can see the power and potential of having an AI watching over your shoulder as you use different applications. Okay, let's move on to uploading and optimization. Let's use your AI agent to ensure you're able to make the most of your video uploads. We've established that this AI agent is a content master. Well, the final part of content creation that you're going to need its help with is creating that caption. So give it specifics, and it will give you a caption optimized for your platform of choice. I use the following prompt. Use all of your YouTube knowledge to write an SEO optimized YouTube summary based on the following script to maximize exposure to my target audience. And then paste your script. Follow this up with the following prompt. What else should I do in the post settings to optimize my YouTube video to reach all of my target audience? This should give you exactly what you need. Keep in mind, you can give it a standard format and it will output the same thing every time. I suggest adding timestamps for different parts of your videos and any links or affiliate links as well into every video summary. Okay, so let's see how you can use your Superintelligent AI agent to help you understand your videos and where you're doing well and where you can improve. Unfortunately, analytics plays a huge part in the YouTube channel. But with the help of your AI agent, you can make it easier to interpret the information and give you recommendations on where you need to improve and where you're doing well as a content creator. So the great news is that a lot of your video analytics information is right in YouTube. So here's what I want you to grab from YouTube for each video you want to improve and the prompt to use to get the results you're looking for. Remember to always select since uploaded parentheses lifetime. So there is in total views for each video, that's one of them. Engaged views, total video length, average view duration, returning viewers, unique viewers, impressions, new viewers click-through rate, and returning viewers click-through rate. With the following prompt. Use the following YouTube metrics, identify video strengths and video weaknesses. Tell me what I'm doing well and what I can do better in future videos. So let's check out this output. Look how detailed of results you get. It tells you exactly what you're doing well, where you can improve, and then at the end, it even gives you a summary. Check this out. Strengths versus opportunities, and what to try in future videos. As you can see in my example, my AI agent gave me an excellent analysis. In plain words, it tells me what I'm doing well and where I can improve. This can help you learn from your videos and constantly improve. All right, so I know that was a ton of information. If you followed along in this video, I guarantee you just leveled up your YouTube workflow big time. You built a customized, super intelligent content-based AI agent. You have the prompts you need to make it work. You know exactly what to do to keep it updated. You have a resource to help you build things in real time. You can replicate the process across platforms. You can use it as an expert in any subject that you want to use it for, from doing your taxes to keeping your grass green in front of your front lawn. If you found this valuable, make sure to subscribe, because I've got an entire playlist of videos that go even deeper. Comment prompt below if you want my full list of resources, prompts, and templates. And let me know in the comments, which part of this are you going to implement first? Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck on your AI journey.